In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Whiteboard feature in Google Meet to enhance your online classes. This tool can make your virtual lessons more interactive, helping students better understand concepts through real-time visuals. First, go to Google Meet by either typing meet.google.com into your browser or launching the Google Meet app on your device. Make sure you are signed in with your Google account to access all features without interruption. Once on the platform, join a class or meeting. You can either click a scheduled meeting or enter a meeting code manually. After joining, look toward the bottom of your screen for the activities icon. It may appear as three vertical dots or different shapes depending on your app version or browser. Click the activities icon and from the menu that appears, select whiteboarding or collaborative whiteboard. This powerful feature lets you draw, write notes, and visually explain your lessons as you speak, bringing more clarity to your teaching. Next, click Start a new whiteboard. This opens a blank canvas, that is a Jamboard, where you can begin sketching ideas, solving problems, or breaking down complex topics. It's great for brainstorming or guiding students step by step through a concept. If you'd like your students to collaborate, share access to the whiteboard by sending them the link or adjusting the settings to allow editing. This enables them to write responses, solve problems, or add notes, encouraging real engagement. For recurring lessons, save your whiteboard session to reuse or continue later. You can access it via your Google Drive under Jamboard files. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Meet's whiteboard feature to make your online classes more dynamic and effective. Thank you for watching this video.